Konnichiwa, Roxanne desu, and today I have Pookie-san with me. Yay, Pookie-san! You probably won't talk much, and Meow Meow's here. Come on, come on. She wants this. She wants to knock it over. Here's this Meow Meow. Meow Meow Meow. And today I have the September Japan crate. So here's the insert for September 2018, and this is all the stuff that comes in it. So if you pause this, you can read it and get a description of everything. Here's the first one. It is yuzu lemon salt potato chips, dinosaur gummy cola, a Winnie the Pooh one. It's Winnie the Pooh marshmallow. It's got some kind of strawberry filling in it. These look interesting. These are Usagi Mambo. It's Sherbet Pillow Cider. I really want the mold out of that one. Kitty cats. This one is Petite Sherbet DIY. So we won't be opening this one. I'm going to make a separate video for this one by itself. This one is Cracking Panic Cola. This one's a Ramune candy. Mugi Pon milk coffee. Mugi Pon milk coffee. Chewing strong grape. I guess it's either a gummy or gum or something. Toko Natsu Sable. Piccola peach yogurt. We got the drink, and this is Gabu Nomi Zonda cream soda. Chocoball Pachi Pachi. Chocoball Pachi Pachi. Mochi Mochi Panda Anin Tofu. Teau premium chocolate chip cookie. Woo. Karibori. And these are I'm familiar with. This is Suika Watermelon Haichu. Okay, Pookie-san, which one you want to try first?
Start with the drink.
You just copycat of me. So this is another cream soda. I guess it is whatever that is. I don't know what it is, but hopefully it tastes good.
Mochi.
I think it's what? Soybeans. Edamame.
Edamame is those beans you get as appetizers.
That's soybean. You like it? It's yummy. It's very sweet. Like the other ones were, and like candy. And which one next? Potato. Now this one on the thing, it said that the Japanese voted it the one they most wanted to try. So we get to see what the Japanese gonna try, and it's got a lemon flavor, which will be weird. It does have lemon flavor. Definitely tastes like lemon. Kind of citrusy, tangy. It's different. I don't know if I would go out of my way to get it. It's not bad though. I'll definitely finish the bag off.
2 thumbs up.
Okay, I'm gonna pick one. This one's this weird cereal. It's got milk coffee flavor on the outside of like a cereal. It looks like the pop cereal, kind of.
Sugar Smacks.
Sugar Smacks, that's what it is. Oh! And that's what they look. Oh, think it's gonna focus on it. That's how food gets all over this room. And I never liked Sugar Smacks, but these aren't too bad.
It's like Sugar Smacks with the coffee flavor to them.
It's not bad. Okay, which one's next?
Choco Balls.
They look like Milk Duds. Are they Milk Duds? See? Little Milk Duds. Smaller. Not exactly a Milk Dud. I don't even know what is in the middle. Where'd they go? Oh, they're crackling. They got like Pop Rocks in them. I tried to bite one in half, but didn't work out. But yeah, it has Pop Rocks in it, like I guess that's why I said it was like fireworks in your mouth. This one we're pretty familiar with. It's Ramune. And this one. Are they hard?
Yeah, they're hard too.
We're gonna, well, we'll skip the hard one because it takes too long, but we know what Ramune tastes like. And I think these also have some kind of fizzy stuff inside of them.
That's a hard one too.
This one's
It's
another.
like
Is it the lollipop?
it's like those dipsticks that come with the different packets. You dip it.
Oh, yeah. Yep, you suck on it and then you dip it. And I probably shouldn't open it because it's full of sugary stuff. And it's probably gonna end up everywhere. And this one was the Super Grape. I'm not sure if it's gum. It doesn't look like gum.
It's like Twizzlers.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a Twizzler. Gummy material. It looks like it has sugar all over the outside.
It's like grape gum, but in Twizzler form.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's good. I like it. It's got like a tangy thing going on. These things here, they kind of look like Pocky, but in reverse. The chocolate looks like it's on the inside instead of the outside. And I can't think of the things that I buy that are filled with hazelnut chocolate, but they kind of look like that. I think these are strawberry. Or no, they're peach. I think that tastes like peach. I never actually ate a peach because I don't like peaches, but
How do you know if you're gonna eat one?
I don't. Everything that's peach flavored, this is what it tastes like. So it tastes like peach, I guess. They're good though, I like it. So cute little candy. These are squishy. These are the mochi. You can see it in there, it's a little squishy square. I guess they're just one flavor. So squishy. What?
Tastes like how baby powder smells.
Baby. No, it's sweet. I can see why you would say that. It's perfumey. It's got like a perfumey flavor to it, so it is a little odd. But I don't dislike it. I like it. I don't think you like it though. That's funny, baby powder. Here, we'll eat this. This we know we'll like because it's chocolate. Anything chocolate's always good. And here's a chunk for you. Oh, it's pulverized. Looks like I can find a chunk in here. This one didn't make it through shipping very well, but there's what it looks like. It's very crumbly. I'm gonna have to vacuum probably because it's leaving crumbs everywhere.
That was good. It tastes like the big grandma cookies that you have vending machines.
That is good. Very good.
It's a chocolate fudge cookie.
Yum. Alright. Hopefully we can get through one more besides the shelf again. This is like a gummy bear in the shape of dinosaurs. Cola. It smells like cola. And here's my little dinosaur. I always like Japan's gummies because they're really soft. In America they tend to get, I don't know, dried out. They're just not as soft anymore.
It's got like a ginger taste to them.
Ginger? I taste cola. It's cola.
Maybe cola and ginger.
But they're good. You should try them. Let's try this big one. These are similar to the other cookies that were in the previous packs. There's usually like a layer of sugar kind of on the top. Looks kind of like this. Yeah, there's a sugar on top. Looks kind of like the same thing an animal cracker is made out of. It's super crunchy. It's more airier than a animal cracker.
Is that coconut?
Yeah, coconut. Alrighty, so we got about 5 more to go. And we're going to try this little bunny thing here. Looks like a straw. I think it's gum. It's hard. Oh, it's bendy. I'm not even sure if this is paper on the outside. Do you think we eat that? There's paper?
It's plastic.
It's got like some kind of plastic or something. I don't understand. I guess you take the plastic off. I don't know how. This is weird. I'm just gonna get it out. It just tastes kind of like sugar. It's just sugar in plastic thing. Maybe it's meant to be fun to eat like this. I don't know. It's weird though. You don't like it?
Just sugar.
Yeah.
Tastes like those things you put on top of cakes, decoration.
Yeah, like icing, sugary icing. And then we got Winnie the Pooh, and he's supposed to be stuffed with strawberry. And I think they had one of these last month in there too. They must put one in every month because I think there was one that month before that too. So it's very squishy, marshmallowy. Now you can see the strawberry inside. Here, puppy. It's not bad, but I probably wouldn't like crave them or anything. I wouldn't be like, I want those. But it's not bad. And this, it feels hard inside. Like straw. I don't know if you're supposed to make a drink out of this or put it in a drink, or it is, I don't know. Or it just tastes like a drink. Ooh. I guess these are broken. It's like
candy cigarettes.
Well, I don't know. It's sticky. Touching it is sticky. I think it's just some kind of crunchy candy that probably tastes like a drink.
It's great.
Yep. Definitely great. And a little bit fizzy. Not as fizzy as that other one, but definitely like a fizzy thing going on. You know? They really like the fizzy stuff. What in the world? There's like, it kind of looks like Pop Rocks, and then there's like a, probably like a sugar candy in the middle of it. Let's find out. Yep.
Different Pop Rocks.
Pop Rocks. Oh wow, here's a really loud. You must have ate a bunch of them. I only got a little bit. And then there's Hi-Chew, and you can get Hi-Chew in the US. So we're not gonna try these since they are available. It's so loud. Do you hear mine? Well, that was everything from the September 2018 crate. Well, almost everything. There's a couple, like the DIY one we'll do in a separate video. And thanks for coming. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe it, because I'm going to have at least 5 more Japan crates coming in. And maybe Pookie-san will come along for more. Hey, Pookie-san! I hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed everything that was in there except maybe one thing. And there's maybe 1 or 2 that he didn't like. Mata ne! I'll just cut that out. Was it recording? Because it just said record. Uh-oh.